Welcome to FlowTrack Review, Gmail Setup. So if you're interested in figuring out Gmail with the inbound and outbound, this is where to figure it out. All right, so this is the main FlowTrack page. Just press the chat button and then go into inboxes. Go over to the far right there, add an inbox. Push the email inbound and outbound. Now here we go ahead and this is what you're going to name your channel or your inbox. Then we add our email. Next, we go ahead and hurry up here, add that. We're going to pick an agent, or you can just add, but you usually want to assign somebody to that. It'll say your inbox is ready, and it'll have a specific code showing your forwarding address to inbox. Now you go to the configuration, which is within there, and that's the forwarding email address. You want to go ahead and press that copy button right there, and then we want to go all the way up and go to the Gmail. So this is the Gmail account. You want to go into settings and then see all settings, then to forwarding and POP and IMAP. Then you want to add a forwarding address. So go ahead and add your forwarding address. So you're pasting that forwarding address. You will go ahead and you'll confirm that you want to do that. And then you go ahead and it tells you again that you're going to have to verify that in a few minutes. And you'll have to verify that code right there in a little bit. You want to enable POP and I like to do the mail that arrives from now on instead of doing everything you've always done. And then you want to enable IMAP. And then check over those settings, see what you like. Go ahead and save. You want to head back over to FlowTrack and enable your IMAP configuration for this box. Put in the IMAP configuration, so it's imap.gmail.com. And then, let's see here, if you want to look at the port, we can look it up here, and the port is 993. So we're going to go ahead and get back and port 993. Then, of course, your login for your Gmail. And then you want to go ahead and put in your password for Gmail. Now, and then it will go ahead and say, yes, that worked, and it will give the proper thing up there to the left. Well, this says it didn't work. Well, if it didn't work, that means you have two-factor authentication on with your Gmail account, and so it will not work. Let me just show you how to set up the STMP configuration right here. So it's smtp.gmail.com. Let's see here. You want to find that port, and you go ahead, and the port number there is, you want the bottom one, which is 587. Then, of course, the same login and password. If you have, again, the two-factor authentication on, you're going to have problems, and it will give you an error saying your credentials are wrong, or just error out. Then domain, I did of course, your domain that you have attached to FlowTrack. And then, of course, the items there. Go here. Here it goes and errors out. Either that or it will accept if you don't have that two-factor authentication. So to go and figure out that two-factor authentication, you want to go into, so this is Gmail, and you want to go into your accounts. So you go into that actual accounts account. Then go over here to the left into security. Then you head down a little back down there, and you can see the two-step verification is on. So you want to go to that app's passwords. And you go and select this. We want it set up for, obviously, the mail. And then you can see what device you want on. So is this a Windows computer, iPhone, whatever. And then it's going to generate you a code. So it's that code that's on there, it's actually blurred out right there. Be a nice big code. You want to copy that, go back in, and you're going to have to just paste it in the passwords. And then you update it, and then it says updated successfully. So there we've got the inbound working. Makes me set up this again, the SMTP again. So again, smtp.gmail.com. Let's see here. I believe it was 587. And then, of course, your login information for your Gmail. or your Gmail account. And then that password again, that app password that you set up with accounts, then the domain that you have attached to the FlowTrack. And then go ahead and make sure it works. And it says it updated successfully. Now, that should have everything set up. Now, the last thing you need to do is verify that email. So you want to go into your inboxes. And let's see here. You go into your inbox and you look in the inbox. And then I go to unassigned and you can see security alert, two-step factorization turned on because I just barely set it up. All right. So just go back to your settings in your Gmail and see all settings, forward and pop, and IMAP, and then it's just resend right there. Go back and look, there it is. And then it will send you a little confirmation code. You just copy, and then go back into your Gmail account and paste. Verify. It automatically reverts back to disabling that forwarding, so make sure you click that forward copy to button, and then there you go. Go ahead and follow and like this channel. If you want me to go ahead and make some more tutorials or whatever, go ahead and leave a note, follow and like, and let me know what you'd like more tutorials of. Thank you.